Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel for all the returning viewers and welcome newcomers. Today, I'm going to be opening this box for you. This initially was the Premium Bigger Wins Airsoft mystery YouTube unboxing box, but I've been wishing for the MGC4, which is the Mayo Gang M4 that just came out, and when I ordered this, it was just before it had arrived, and so this that's partially what's in here, but there is another surprise in here that I don't know what it is, to add to the extra inside here, for what else was in the box of the price of the Premium Bigger Wins box. So I don't know what that is, but I am excited to unbox this and see what else Cisco hooked us up with on the inside here. Let's see here. UPS smashed it a little bit on the end, so might not need to cut that. Okay. So for you that don't know, this replica, for this Airsoft replica, was built for and by airsofters. And Cisco is the second YouTuber to have an Airsoft replica built for him. And you know, this is a huge, oh man, oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Got me all set up right in here. Woo! Like, heck yes. Got two high-speed Lancer Tactical magazines. I absolutely love these things. These things feed amazing. You know, I love running these things. They're absolutely amazing. And got the special patch right here. Murder Mayo. I absolutely love that. That's absolutely awesome. And got the Mayo Gang, another patch right here. That is absolutely awesome. Cisco, bro, thank you so much. Yeah. And also got a parts, so got a nice little hand stop M-lock right there. And also in here, let's open this up. This is a nice Lancer sight inside of here. Check this out. With the riser. Absolutely awesome. Nice little riser. Quick disconnect right there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Like a little tool. That is gonna go perfect on this. Cisco, thank you. Thank you. Like, this is gonna be absolutely awesome. I'm gonna get to take this out Got my battery. I'm gonna put this right here. And put this with my other cloths over there. That is absolutely awesome. Okay, so now for this beast right here. Like, ooh, look at this. Yes. This is awesome. Like you can see right here on the end, right here, it says Cisco Mayo Edition right on the side. That is amazing. Absolutely awesome. Like the weight of this thing is awesome. So inside the box, you know, got Lancers Gen 3 right here, because this was a collaboration between, you know, between Cisco and Lancer and ASGI there. Oh, look at that. All right. Comes with a Pro Series Lancer BBs right there. Nice bag of those. And nice little Nebula. Oh, dang, that's a PVC card. That's nice. That can go in the wallet. Got a nice little Nebula MOSFET programming card here that you can carry in your wallet, carry in your gear, so when you're out on the field, because this does come with a Nebula MOSFET inside of it. Like, that is just beautiful. We're gonna set that right here. Also, it comes with, inside you got an M120 spring, and it comes with an M110 spring as well inside. So if you play a lot of indoor, you can switch it out, because it also has a QD for the quick detach, so you can change the spring real quick on it there. And we got a set of iron sights that comes in here, right here. Check that out. Got a nice little flip up iron sights. Those are really nice. I like those. Those aren't bad at all. Really quick and snappy. I like it. Set of those front and rear sights right here. I'm gonna put that over here. And also a Zion Arms patch right here as well. And we're gonna move the cleaning rod and unjamming rod over here. And don't forget, got a nice little forward grip right here, little angled foregrip. And also, you know, if you're got a little space down here, so if you want to carry some batteries out there with you, or you know, you need a little mid-game snack, you can throw you a couple crackers in there, a couple gummy bears, whatever your preferred snack is. But that's a nice little angled foregrip here to go on the front there. I'm gonna have to decide which one I want, because I like both of them. Like I said, I got my PTS hand stop here, plus the one that comes with it in here, and another high-speed mag. Like, look at that. That's absolutely, I love these things. Nice, lightweight, amazing feed rate. Like, that thing feels amazing. Now, let's take this out. Like, this thing is full metal. Rail, upper, lower receiver is full metal here. Let's take this off here, get this off. Okay. So we got our, you know, like I said, Comes with the Lancer patch right there. Nice little Lancer tactical patch. Got a nice, but back to this. Like everything, like I said, everything, hand guards, upper, lower receiver, tube, everything is, that's all metal. And then you got your, you know, your buttstock here and your hand grip. That's polymer, of course, but for the price of this, it is absolutely amazing. And if you look right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's got the Mayo Gang symbol on it right here. Just like nice little swag sticker right here, or the patch right here, like that. But this thing is sweet. Like, it's got the rotary style hop up. Like I said, like this is with the Nebula MOSFET, and like this thing is absolutely sweet. Like I said, I can put this right up here on the front if I want it up here, or like I said, the PTS. That way I can, if I want this right here, plus like I said, got a whole setup right here. Cisco hooked it up with this, like, that is absolutely amazing right there. Like, I absolutely love this. Got your sling points right here on the back. And for everybody that doesn't already know, this thing is wired to Dean's already in the back, so you're not going to have to worry about that when you're playing around with this. Like, it's already wired to Dean's in the back. And like, I want to go out and shoot this thing right now as soon as I'm done with this. Like, that's just beautiful. Like I said, this is $285 right here, full metal. Like, I don't know why you want, you know, Lancer gets a bad name, but you know, over the years, they've been getting better and better and better. And, you know, this thing is hands down one amazing rifle right here. This replica, this Airsoft replica is just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to take it out to the field, maybe tomorrow or this next weekend when I get out there. And just absolutely crush people with this. Like, like, look at the detail on this. And right here, if you're somebody that, you know, your fingers right here on the bottom, it's got a nice little canted area right here on the bottom for you. Just absolutely amazing. Like, this is a piece of Airsoft history right here. Like, you will not, it's a limited run. There was only 88 of these, I think, made, and they're already down to 45, 50 left, something like that. So if you get the chance, go over and go to Airsoft GI, check them out. They still have some of these available. Like I said, there's not too many left, limited run, but you know, there are always going to be more projects down the line that they may do, or they may not. You never know. But like I said, this is amazing. Like, the feel of this, the weight. Like, I'll do some more videos on this specifically once I get it all set up here. with all these goodies that Cisco put in the box. And I will talk to you all later. Peace.